In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new slide in Google Slides. There are plenty of ways to do that. So the easiest way is just go to the last slide of your document. So in this case, it's going to be this slide, and then you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and M or Command and M if you're using Mac, and it will bring you this brand new slide that you could use. But of course, there are many other options, like you can also just press Enter on your keyboard and the result will be the same, or you can also just go to the insert menu and then click new slide and the result is of course the same. So that's 3 ways to do that. But as you can see here, it is empty. It's just not very attractive, and especially this is quite disappointing given that we have many templates that we can apply to any slide in the document. And if you want to apply some templates, you can go to slide and then go to apply layout, and then you have plenty of options that is available on the document or template that you're using. Let's say I want to apply this layout, and there you go. Now we have an empty slide with this layout, and you can start populating it with the content. And that's how you can insert a new slide in Google Slides.